Kate Middleton's stark warning about physically present but mentally absent parents. The Princess of Wales's Early Years Centre is giving £100,000 of research funding to find solutions to help parents tackle the problems caused at home by the ever-increasing number of gadgets. Kate Middleton's Early Years Centre is offering a six-figure sum in research funding to find solutions that will help parents combat the distractions caused by gadgets that interfere with family life. Kate's Royal Foundation Centre for Early Childhood is inviting researchers to submit proposals to tackle what has been dubbed technoference, which can disrupt parent-child relationships, something which Kate spoke passionately about this week in her first major speech in 2 years. The news comes shortly after Prince William, 43, discussed his and Kate's approach to technology at home and revealed the topic of Prince George, 12, getting a mobile phone was becoming a tense issue. The chosen study will get £100,000 in funding and work with families across the UK to understand when and why this issue arises and test practical ways to minimize its impact. And the findings used to shape resources for professionals such as health visitors and early years educators. Speaking to a journalist in Brazil during his recent Earthshot Prize trip, William revealed that he and Kate have yet to allow George, who turns 13 next summer, to have a mobile phone, adding it is really hard. Our children don't have phones. When George moves on to secondary school, maybe he'll have one with limited access. It's getting to the point where it is becoming a bit of a tense issue. But I think he understands why. We communicate why we don't think it's right. Mum of 3 Kate, 43, also warned about the epidemic of disconnection created by smartphones and other gadgets in an essay she co-wrote and published last month, and urged society to invest in the relationships you have with each other. Christian Guy, executive director of the Royal Foundation Centre for Early Childhood, said, "There have been numerous studies about how digital devices impact relationships, but there is currently a lack of evidence about what is causing people to turn to their digital devices at times when it is interrupting family life and, importantly, how to help people reduce this unwanted interference." The center is seeking to address these gaps in research so find the solutions to make a real difference to families' lives. Kate, who is also mum to Princess Charlotte, 10, and 7-year-old Louis, voiced her worries surrounding the impact of modern technology on family life in the thought-provoking essay, co-written with Professor Robert Waldinger, director of the Harvard Study of Adult Development. "Focusing on good connections with family and friends was the key to a healthy and happy life," said the princess as lead author, "and helping children learn strong social and emotional skills will set them up to have positive relationships in their later life." It noted, while new technology has many benefits, we must also acknowledge that it plays a complex and often troubling role in this epidemic of disconnection. While digital devices promise to keep us connected, they frequently do the opposite. Our smartphones, tablets, and computers have become sources of constant distraction, fragmenting our focus and preventing us from giving others the undivided attention that relationships require. We sit together in the same room while our minds are scattered across dozens of apps, notifications, and feeds. We're physically present but mentally absent, unable to fully engage with the people right in front of us.